Welcome to the best presentation software there is. It is better than EasyWorship, and all this presentation software you're currently using now. Trust me, you're gonna love it. So yes, this is EasyVerse, and before you use it, there are a few things you need to actually go through. First thing is after installing it from the website, which is the easyverse.com, the link is in the bio or in the comment section. Just come to settings and then make sure you are connected to the right audio. Okay. If it is this, make sure you are connected to the right audio. All right. So right now I'm speaking from this microphone. All right. So yes, I'm sure I'm speaking from this microphone. This microphone. Okay. So in order to test that, just come here. Go to your settings. Okay. You can go to sound, and then you come to the input microphones and make sure that you've selected it and the volume is high so you can see it speaking, right? Meaning that yes, I've selected this one and this is the volume. Okay. And yes, so yes, it matches the one I selected in the EasyVerse. Do you understand? Yes, it matches this one, which is this one. Okay. So once I do that, then you come to the ASRR engine, okay? Then you connect DeepGram API. This is a free API you can use for the system. So just click on connect DeepGram, and it's going to redirect you to uh, the browser you use, okay? Then you can just sign up for free, and you're gonna get an API key which you would input in the app. Then you use that to actually, for your transcription to in order for the transcription to it. If you don't do this and you don't do it well, your transcription is not going to work. This is why most people mostly say their transcription is not working. One is because of their mic, and also they didn't really sign up well. So I'm just going to skip this part because I have already do that. So what you're going to do is you're going to get an API key. So let me just skip this part. Okay, so once you sign up, okay, you can just this is what your dashboard is going to look like. Just click on add API, then you can give it any name. Then instead the expiration to never expire, and you just create it. Okay. You're going to be given an API key like this, and you are going to copy it. All right. So let's do it together. I'm just going to do tests. Test one. I'm just going to do create API key. And I'll be given an API key. Just click here to copy it. And then you can come to the software and paste it inside here. Okay, just paste it inside and click on save. All right, and you're good to go. You don't need to pay any money. Okay, yes. Then you come to the AI suggestions and make sure that you can also equally add your Google API key for PDF extractions. You can just upload a PDF and the system would automatically extract all the songs in the PDF. You don't need to do anything. You can equally just click here and it will also just redirect you here, and you just create an API here. I've already made a video on that. So if you haven't watched it, kindly go and watch that. Okay, just come here and just click on create API, copy and paste it in the system. If you haven't watched the first video, kindly go and watch it. Okay. Yes. And then you can use the auto suggest mode. You just turn it on and you just set the results and you just crank this thing up. Okay, you can equally set your display over here. You have your main input. You can select a template for it. You have your alternates, you have your stage, you have other inputs. Okay, SDI. It supports NDI outputs. Right now, you can output to over 10 NDI outputs with different templates for both Bible and songs and everything, right? And then you're good to go. So on the home page, before you can actually start your transcription, you can either download Bibles from the store. Okay, you can actually come to the Bible versions and download any Bible of your choice. Okay, you have enough Bibles here, a lot of Bibles here. Or if you use Easy Bible Show and you would want to upload your Bible Show Bibles, you can also come to the library, which is this site. Okay, and then you upload your Bible. So right now we support Bibles in text, CSV format, in docs format, which is Word documents, in PDF, in this format, and also we support Bible Show Bibles. Okay, you can just click on this and then navigate to where your Bible Show is, which is your C. You can just right click on Bible Show on your home and it take you to your local disk, or you can just follow this path to it. Then you can just select any Bible of your choice. I think I have all the Bibles I need, but I'm just gonna do an example, and you can just extract it, and it will just import it into the system. As simple as that. All right. Now, once you've done that, okay, then you come here, then you make sure that you've selected the type of Bible you want. Right now, I am on a new NIV. You can choose Amplified. Okay. So once you've connected your the API, and if you make sure that your audio interface is right, you can also watch the video I did on the audio interfaces. All right. And you make sure that the transcription is on this one, is deepgram. Okay. Immediately, maybe you click on start recording. Okay. Yes. And it shows that, okay, this is recording. So as you can see, the transcription is actually working and everything is working perfectly. Okay. So this is how you make sure that the setup is up and running before you can even say, can start mentioning maybe Bible verses, maybe like John 1:1 or like Second Peter 2, or I don't know what you want, but you can equally mention anything you want, and then the AI will start picking it and all those stuff. All right. Yes, you can also turn on auto live so that anything you are selecting will go live. So one thing you have to also be conscious of is creating templates for the system. Okay, so this is just a quick starter on how to start it. So right now I'm using a song template. That's why I see the Amazing Grace. This is one thing people miss. So because I'm using a song template, so that's why I'm seeing Amazing Grace over here. Okay, yes. So that's going to be another video on how to actually use create templates and use templates for your presentation. Okay. All right. See you guys in the next video.